Namaskaram to all our parents. This video is available both in Telugu and English version. This is the English version and this is relevant for CA and CMA Foundation long-term batch for those students who are going to appear the CA Foundation examinations in May 2023 and CMA Foundation examinations in June 2023. Let us continue the details. Dear parents, as I just told you, this is the English version of the video. And by listening to the statement called the long-term batch for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation, you may get mistaken that this is just like the repeaters batch that you will be in general listening for IIT long-term batch and NEET long-term batch. Say for example, a student appeared for the IIT JEE examination, but he or she couldn't make it. In such a case, they will again join for a long-term batch and they'll appear for the next year examinations. This is not so. So this batch called the CA Foundation Long-Term Batch and the CMA Foundation Long-Term Batch is a batch meant for the first time attending students. This batch is meant for those students who are going to appear for the CA Foundation or CMA Foundation examinations for the first time, not for the repeaters. And CA stands for Chartered Accountancy and CMA stands for Cost and Management Accountancy. So to whom this batch is suitable? This batch is suitable for those students who appeared for the IIT JEE examinations or the NEET examinations or the AMCET examinations but couldn't get a decent rank. Instead of appearing again for the IIT JEE examinations or the NEET examinations or the AMCET examinations, the student can think of switching over to commerce from either MPC or BPC and can appear for the CA or CMA examinations. So those would like to switch over from sciences to commerce. I repeat, those who wants to switch over from MPC or BPC to CA or CMA like commerce courses, this will be an apt batch. This will be an apt batch. And before I continue, I'd like to make a statement very clearly. So this is not an easy course. CA or CMA, these two are not easier courses. Don't think that this can be finished just like a BTech or just like a degree courses. So comparatively, definitely and comparatively, these two courses like Chartered Accountancy or Cost Accountancy, otherwise called the CA or CMA courses, may be easier when compared to IIT or medicine. I mean to say NEET examinations. So definitely, undoubtedly, these two courses are easier when compared to IIT courses or medicine courses. But these two are definitely difficult compared to BTech or traditional degree courses. Please do keep this in mind before you choose for these two courses. So I'll repeat, if you want to have a comparative analysis, these two courses are definitely easier when compared to IIT or medicine courses. I mean to say the NEET courses. But these two courses are definitely difficult compared to BTech or degree courses like BCom, BSc, etc., etc., etc. And this is a 9 months batch in case of CA Foundation, and this is a 10 months batch in case of CMA Foundation students. The CA Foundation examinations are likely to be in May 2023, and the CMA Foundation examinations are likely to be in June 2023. And the batch is likely to commence on August 29th at Guntur, that is central office, whereas this batch is likely to commence on September 12th at all our branches that are located at Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Kurnool, Nellore, and Tirupati. And the coaching facility is available in two verticals. One is called the CPB, Complete Physical Batch. The second one is Complete Online Batch. So Complete Physical Batch is nothing but the traditional offline batches, and the Complete Online Batches are completely different. I'd like to throw some idea or throw some discussion on this COB, Complete Online Batches. Unlike many other institutions, we don't want to offer online coaching through video recorded lectures. I never encourage the students to go for such kind of online coaching. Of course, we too have online coaching through video recorded lectures, that is called VOD, Video On Demand Batch, and I'll discuss about the VOD batch at the end. But right now I'm discussing about the COB batches. I mean to say the Complete Online Batches is a kind of online coaching. Now I'd like to throw some discussion on COB batches. So in case of COP batches, the physical batch classes will be live telecasted through a software similar to Zoom. So within a difference of 1 or 2 seconds, the students can attend the physical batch classes, can experience the physical batch classes by sitting at their home. And these classes will be COB batches will be held as per a fixed schedule. There is an advantage for that. Say, for example, the student has taken the coaching classes to online mode, so video recorded lectures. The student can keep on postponing watching those videos. Whereas in case of COB, the complete online batches, the classes will be held as per the fixed schedule, as per the fixed timetable. In case of COB, for example, the physical batch is commencing on morning 8 a.m. The COB batch students are also compelled to attend the classes by morning 8 a.m. itself. There's no question of any postponement. And the students can clear their doubts on a real-time basis. So they will be giving an access to a chart maths, and the students, those who are having the doubts, can post their doubts in chat bots, and they'll be cleared by the end of the session. And we'll be having the examinations on Sundays also in case of complete online batch, and we'll be giving the printed materials in hard copy manner. We'll be giving the printed materials also, not just in PDF form. We even share the printed materials in case of COB, complete online batches. And of course, in case of complete online batch, the faculty will be from central office, that is from Guntur, since the COB is nothing but the live telecast of the complete physical batch classes that are held at Guntur. My dear students, unlike many other coaching centers, the CA Foundation and CMA Foundation coaching classes will be conducted at least for 9 to 10 hours a day, and the coaching will be given for not less than or approximately for 1,000 hours. Before you want to take an admission, you please inquire with the other institutions. Only thereafter, you please take the admission into Masterminds. And what are the highlights? What are the special features of the academic program for CA and CMA Foundation? And these are the highlights. These are the unmatching features of the Mastermind CA Foundation and CMA Foundation long-term batch. One, we'll be conducting the coaching classes not just for 2 or 3 hours a day. We'll be conducting the coaching classes for at least 9 to 10 hours a day. And we'll be conducting the weekend examinations just like in the schools. So you'll be having monthly examination, weekly examination, quarterly, half-yearly, and pre-final. In a similar way, we'll be conducting the weekend examinations for the CA and CMA Foundation students also. And as soon after completion of the syllabus, we'll be conducting the revision examinations and study for another 3 months. And I guess, the syllabus will be completed by February 2023, and for March to April and May 2023, we'll be conducting the study and revision examinations. And in case of CMA Foundation, since the examinations will be held in June 2023, we'll be having 1 more month as a bonus. So for CMA Foundation, we'll be conducting the study and revision examination for 4 months, and for CA Foundation, we'll be conducting the study and revision examinations for 3 months. And another unique feature is we don't just teach CA Foundation. For all the students, we teach both CA and CMA Foundation. And we have admissions only for CMA Foundation also. So those who take admission for CA Foundation, we teach both CA Foundation and CMA Foundation. And of course, if the student wants to appear only for CMA Foundation, yes, we have admission for CMA Foundation also, not just at central office, but also at all our branches. And another unique feature is approximately for 1,000 hours, we are going to teach classes for foundation level students also. That's a definitely unique feature. You can't find it anywhere in South India. So subject to correction, no other institution is offering this many coaching for this many number of hours for foundation students. So please don't forget, my dear parents, foundation is like a stepping stone for courses like CA and CA and CMA courses. See, if the student is not conceptually clear at foundation level, he may feel or she may feel difficult to clear CA inter or CMA inter or CA final or CMA final. And the students will be given the India's best faculty, and we are even offer our services. I repeat, we even offer our services till the last day of the public examinations. For example, if the examinations for CA Foundation are likely to be in May 2023, we will be conducting all our services, we'll be offering all our services, we'll be continuing all our services till May 2023, till the last day of the public examination. And you'll be surprised to know that we'll be hardly charging approximately 50,000 as coaching fees for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation long-term batch. You may have a doubt, sir, Mohan sir, why is that you are using the word called approximately? See, the fee will differ from batch to batch. It will differ for CPP and as well as for COP, and it will even differ from branch to branch. See, you can't, you can even guess. See, you can't operate at the same fees at a city like Hyderabad and at a city like Guntur. Definitely, the operating expenses will differ for a city like Hyderabad compared to Guntur. So, therefore, the fees will also differ from branch to branch. I repeat, from branch to branch. And you'll be surprised to know that the coaching fees that we are charging is approximately 50,000, and another 10,000 will be collected towards books and etc. Books and other auxiliary expenses. And you'll be surprised to know that the fee that we are charging is much, much, much lesser than the fee that is being charged by many CBSE schools at 10 plus 2 level or many prestigious engineering colleges. Is it not? And the hostel facility is available not just at central office, that is Guntur. It is even available at Hyderabad, Dilshuk Nagar, Tirupati and Vijayawada. In case of Guntur, the hostel facility is available both for boys and girls, and it will be like a CRS system, complete residential system, like a school. So in the same campus, you'll be having both the study campus. In the same campus, you'll be having both the classes as well as the boarding facility. Both the classes as well as the boarding facility, and we are going to have complete restrictions on usage of cell phone. We are going to place absolute restrictions on usage of cell phone. And please, let me tell you very frankly, those who are interested, those are interested to accept the restrictions that we are going to impose on usage of cell phone are advised to take admission. If at all, if you are not interested to give up your cell phone addiction, so please don't take admission into masterminds. You should be prepared to give up your cell phone addiction. You'll be allowed to make use of the cell phone only for a limited hours, that too only on outing days. So we are going to place absolute restrictions on cell phone usage. If you are prepared, only then you are advised to take admission into masterminds. And by this time, you might have observed we are going to give admissions not just for CA Foundation, we are going to give admissions even for CMA Foundation also. And of course, if the student is given admission for CA Foundation, we are not just going to teach only CA Foundation, we are going to teach only CA Foundation and also CMA Foundation. And of course, I just told you, and let me repeat, we are going to give admissions only for CMA Foundation also. Only for CMA Foundation also, and that batch is available not just at central office, but also at all our batch branches. And we have branches at Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Nellore, Rajahmundry, Kurnool. And after completion of the syllabus, we are going to conduct the revision examinations for 3 months. In case of CMA Foundation, it will be for 4 months. So what are the services that you are going to offer? That you are going to offer during the period of conducting the study and revision examinations. My dear parents, we are not going to ask the students, just to come and sit down and study on their own. It's not a self-study mode, definitely. For a period of 75 to 90 days, we are going to conduct the study and revision examinations after completion of the syllabus, and following services will be offered during such study and revision examination batches. We give a schedule, a macro schedule. So what are the chapters that are to be revised, that are supposed to be revised by a student on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, like such. So the student will be given the schedule upfront. The entire revision schedule will be given to the students immediately after completion of the classes. And the examinations will be held on weekly twice basis, both on Wednesday and Sunday. And immediately after completion of the examinations, the student will be given the suggested answers, my dear, so that the student can have a self-evaluation immediately. So if at all, if the student can have a self-evaluation, he or she will not repeat the same mistakes in the public examinations. And within 2 weeks, we are going to complete the valuation, and we are going to even return the valued answer sheets with valuationer comments. So these are the services that, and sorry, we are going to even send the supporting faculty during the conducting of study and revision examination. So these are all the services that we are going to offer at a nominal fees of approximately 8 to 10,000 for the entire 3 months period. For the entire 3 months period, not just for a period of 1 month. And respected parents, an important point. What are the points to be considered before joining in any institution for CA or CMA Foundation coaching? You please inquire whether such institutions are offering coaching only for CA or CMA courses, or they're offering CA or CMA coaching along with their MPC or BPC courses also. See, there are certain institutions which offer coaching not just for commerce courses but also for science courses. In such a case, they may give more preference to science courses rather than commerce courses. See, Masterminds is totally different. Ours is an exclusive commerce college. We don't offer coaching for courses like MPC or BPC. Of course, we do take students of MPC and BPC streams if at all if they want to continue CA or CMA courses. And select a coaching institution having an experience of not less than 15 to 20 years of coaching experience. And the institute in which you're going to select, the institute in which you're going to take admission shall be in a position, in fact, shall be offering coaching for CA and CMA final students also. See, why is it so? I'll tell you. See, if the institute is offering coaching not just for foundation but also final level, the standards they maintain is absolutely great. Take an example of Masterminds. Ours is a complete CA and CMA college. We not just offer coaching. We not just offer coaching for foundation students. We offer coaching for CMA Inter, CA Inter, and CMA Final and CMA Final also. For CA and CMA Final also. Then simple. We have a coaching from foundation to final. So you please suggest any institution, not just Masterminds, any institution of your choice, but ensure that they offer coaching not just for foundation but also for final students, and have a buffer period of at least 1 year. Why is it so? I'll tell you. As I told you at the time, as I told you at the beginning itself, these courses are definitely easier compared to courses like IIT, courses like medicine, but they are definitely difficult compared to courses like degree. I mean to say BCom, BTech, BCom, BSc, etc. are BTech courses. BTech courses. And I request the parents community and students community to kindly share this video with your friends, please. And you share this video with your friends, and you can reach our team members at 9885125001 and 9885125003, and you can even reach me at msnmohan2013 at the rate gmail.com. And I repeat, we're offering this batch at a very affordable fees. See, we are not just offering coaching for CA Foundation, we are even offering coaching for CMA Foundation also. And how much we are going to charge for a period of 9 months? I just told you, coaching fees will be approximately 50,000 and another 10,000 for auxiliary expenses like books, etc., etc. See, the fee that has been charged by famous, prestigious engineering colleges, you just have a comparison. You just have a comparison of Masterminds with that of the fee that is being charged by prestigious engineering colleges for a course like BTech and any other prestigious CBSE schools for a course like 10 plus 2. So compared to those courses, what we are charged compared to the fees that has been charged by those prestigious engineering colleges or prestigious CBSE schools, what we are charging is nothing. I repeat, what we are charging is nothing. Even in 2021 also we have started this long-term batch, and I'm delighted to share that we have nearly 300 admissions last year for CA and CMA Foundation long-term batch. And parents, I think by this time all of you might having an awareness towards a GST. See, income tax is a kind of direct tax, and we need to make the payment of the income tax out of our pocket. Since it is a kind of direct tax, we need to make the payment of income tax out of our pocket. But GST is an indirect tax. So GST is a tax that need to be collected from students and that need to be paid by us to the government. So as against to that, we are making the payment of GST out of our pocket, which is at the rate of approximately 18%. My dear parent, you are making the payment of GST at the rate of 18% on behalf of the parents. And please do note that this is not the income tax. Anyhow, income tax has to be paid by ourselves out of our pockets. And I'd like to share the challans of the payment of GST that we have made in the March month. So near about 62 lakhs was paid as GST alone for the month of March for AP operations, and you can even check the GST payment details. I'm openly sharing the details. I'm transparently sharing the details with all the invoice details. And this amount of GST that we have paid for the month of March towards our Telangana operations. Put together, there is approximately 70 lakhs amount of GST has been paid by us on behalf of the parents. I repeat, on behalf of the parents. And before I conclude, I'd like to throw some discussion on the achievements that have been achieved by our students at CA and CMA Foundation and CA Inter and CMA Inter as well. So to begin with, our students are secured all India first rank and all India second rank at CMA Foundation level for multiple times. And coming to CA Foundation, so recently in the recent past, declaring the results at CA Foundation level have been discontinued. The practice of declaring the ranks at CA Foundation level have been discontinued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Earlier, our students are secured 40 All India ranks out of 50 All India ranks that have been declared at CA Foundation level. Please do know that in case of IIT, in case of NEET, in case of MSET, every student will be allotted a rank based on the marks he or she secured. Whereas in case of course like CA Foundation or CA Inter or CA Final, ranks will be declared only up to 50. Only all in the top 50 ranks will be declared. And that too very unfortunate. In the recent past, announcement of the ranks at CA Foundation level have been discontinued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. In the year 2019-2020, our students have secured 40 All India ranks out of top 50 at national level alone at CA Foundation level. I repeat, these are not the ranks that have been secured by our students in our lifetime. These are the ranks that have been secured by students only in just 2 years, 2019 and 2020. Another great achievement. In February 2021, if I'm right, the CA Foundation All India rank was for 361 marks. Whereas our student has secured 362 marks in September 2021, and very unfortunate, in September 2021, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, they haven't announced any ranks at CA Foundation level. Earlier, they announced rank at All India first rank at CA Foundation level for February 2021 also. And in February 2021, a student who secured 361 have been awarded All India first rank. Whereas our student has secured 362 marks, which is more than the marks that have been secured by All India first rank holder at CA Foundation level. And recently, June 2022 examination have been completed and the results have been declared in August 2022, and more than 70 students are secured. Nearly 70 students are secured more than or equal to 300 marks at CA Foundation level. Please do know that, my dear parents and students, many institutions will be securing their highest mark as 305, 310, 315, 320, etc., etc., etc. Whereas our students have created a history. Near about 70 students are secured more than or equal to 300 marks, and this is not our lifetime achievement. Alone in August 2022 results of students, near about 70 students of masterminds are secured more than or equal to 300 marks. This is not our lifetime achievement. Alone in 2022, our students are secured the following All India ranks at CA Inter level, and let me repeat, at CA Inter level, only 50 All India ranks will be declared, which includes All India 1st, 8th, 10th, and 29th, 32nd, 35th, and 44th and 47th ranks. And the single digit ranks at CA Inter and IPCC level. IPCC is a old syllabus and CA Inter is a new syllabus, which includes All India 1st, 4th, 5th, 6th, 8th, and 9th ranks. And the single digit ranks at CA final level, All India 1st, All India 4th, and All India 9th rank. And in the recent past, in the year 2022, 2021, and 2020, our students have secured All India first rank for 6 times in courses like CA and CMA. Please do note that these are not the ranks that have been achieved by our students in our lifetime. These are the ranks that have been secured by our students in just 3 years, 2022, 2021, and 2020. And again, in prestigious courses like CA and CMA. And again, these are not the state ranks. These are the All India first ranks. And my humble submission is, before you take a decision whether to take admission to masterminds or not, don't give more importance to our ranks. Rather than that, please give more importance to our experience. We have started our institution in 2002, and we have completed successful journey of more than 20 years. Give more importance to our academic program, our excellence, our dedication, and our experience. And coming to the online presence, my dear students, we have been offering online coaching classes through an app called Class Plus app. The batch name is named as VOD batch, Video on Demand batch, otherwise called as Video Recorded Lectures. So our online batches will be of two types. One is a COB, complete online batch, where the physical batch classes will be live telecasted. The second one is VOD, where the coaching will be given through video recorded lectures. And the platform that we use is Class Plus app, and it is a leading edtech company on all India basis. And to my knowledge, subject to correction, they have been offering this kind of platform to not less than 15 to 20,000 educators who have been offering online education. And among the 20,000 educational institutions, Masterminds has been placed among the top three educators on pan-India basis. On pan-India basis. My dear students, I'd like to even show how to buy the video recorded lectures. In case of if you are interested to buy the video recorded lectures, otherwise called as VOD batch, you just download our app called Masterminds Online Classes app, which is available in Play Store both for iOS as well as Android users. After that, there are about a 680 courses are made available in that app. And by making the payment of approximately 25,000, you can buy the CA Foundation or CMA Foundation courses having a validity of 12 months with 1.5 use option. If at all the student who are taking who are taking coaching classes through video recorded classes, they can even buy the materials in printed form. So in case if you want to take the coaching classes through video recorded lectures, you will be given the PDF material. Otherwise, if you want to buy, yes, you have an option to make the payment and to get the materials in printed form also. And let me repeat, you can reach us at 9885125001 and 03. And please do support. Please do support by sharing this video with your friends, with your neighbors, relatives, siblings. Thank you, thanks a lot. And this video is available both in English and as well as Telugu version. Then this is the English version of the video for CA Foundation, CMA Foundation long-term batch for May 2023 and June 2023 examinations. Thanks a lot. God bless you.